Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I took a couple of days off. I had went to Vegas I went to Vegas to live it up. What can I say? I got to go watch. Got the ice, and I need a haircut, but my beard is growing out, and so I have something special for you guys today. I know I took a couple of days off just to relax, but that don't mean I stopped investing. My dividend growth portfolio have reached a huge milestone. So I would love for you guys to, for me to share this wonderful, delicious news with you guys today of this dividend portfolio, and then I'm going to be dropping videos of these next couple of dividend portfolios because I have multiple. Because not only did this dividend growth portfolio reach all-time highs and a new milestone, my second dividend portfolio that's worth around $20,000 have reached a new milestone as well, and I've also have done so many adjustments. Just like with this portfolio, I've done many adjustments. But for today's video, as you know, with my channel is all about money management, wealth management, how to make money in the stock market through dividend investing, dividend growth investing, but overall, how to just a minority, or just as a person with a familiar face, show you guys how to invest into the stock market to make money to eventually for financial independence, retire early, or for individuals who just like for myself want to be a passport bro and use your money to retire Brazil, Philippines, and that's what I plan on doing. So if anything that I say, if it makes sense, don't make sense, make sure you at the bottom write a question, and I feel free to respond to any questions that you guys have in regards to being an early investor or just any stocks that I have in my dividend portfolio. So let's dive in. So right here, as you see, my dividend portfolio has hit a all-time high, a new milestone. And so I wanted to scroll down right here. So going off the beginning of the year of 2023. So right now we are currently in July of 2023. My portfolio was roughly, let's say, 40,000, right? So I was putting money about $850 or so, every month. And then recently, I just put $2,500 worth of dividend stocks, $2,500 worth of money into my dividend growth portfolio uh, when it was down, and then the market had went back up due to the interest rates. You know, the Fed pausing the interest rates, and then the F the and also the I want to say the the PP data. Since the PP data, the inflation numbers, since those are stagnant and going down, and then the Fed pausing the interest rate increases, the market has gone up. But for me, I was investing when the market was down, so it shot up. And then also recently, I just dropped right here. Right here, I put $5,000 into my dividend portfolio back in May, and then recently, a couple of days ago, I want to say July 10th, I dropped another $2,500 right here. So that's why uh, my portfolio shot up from 4,500 or 45,000 to about 47,000, and then I've been investing along the way, right? And so here, because I like to show people, um, it's one thing to say, hey, yeah, I put 2,500 $2,500 into the market. I like to show people because I'm not a liar. So right here, uh, I put 2,000 $2,400 I deposit into my account on July 10th. And as you see right now, today is July 18th. So roughly 8 days I 8 days ago, I dropped $2,400 into the market, and what I bought was with that $2,400, uh, I split it between opened up a new position in Williams Sonoma. I bought some semiconductor stock called ASML. I bought some Enterprise EPD. I bought some Ultra Group. So I bought some Texas Roadhouse, and then as of today, I bought some Watson because I wanted a new position in my I wanted a new position in the industrial space right here, and so I like first off I like to show off my Fidelity uh, this account just to show that it's real easy for me to show dividend stocks and facts and figures and numbers on a dividend tracker. But with a dividend tracker, you can easily just put numbers in. You can fabricate. So what I like to do for people that join the channel that follow me as I invest and grow my channel, grow my dividend growth portfolio. I like to show this just to show that what I'm saying I'm doing and it's true. So if I said I bought something, if I sold something, I like to go in to validate it and to show that I'm not lying. That it's because there's a lot of scammers, a lot of people that say, "Oh, I bought $5,000 worth of this stock or $5,000 worth of dividend growth stocks," and then you don't see it. And so um, right here. So right here, I am year to date. I'm up 11%. I have crossed the $50,000 mark, and I didn't even think I was going to be able to cross the $50,000 mark this year. So I am ahead of my goal, and and so uh, with these dividend purchases that I have recently bought, right here, it shows that my dividend portfolio, the balance is around $51,250. I My dividend portfolio produces an annual income of $1,711 with a dividend yield of 3.34%, with a yield on cost of 3.71%. Not too shabby, right? And so I've add, I've added several stocks to this dividend portfolio as of recently. I've sold a lot and I've added certain stocks. So some new stocks that I've added to my dividend portfolio that you guys may not be familiar with. Well, that you may be familiar with, but not be familiar with in my dividend portfolio is one Apple. So I sold out a lot of high yielding stocks, and I wanted more growth in my portfolio. I'm 34 years old right now. I want to retire by 50, but I also want my dividend growth portfolio to not only do I want the share price appreciation, but I also want those 60% dividend increases as well, right? And I'm still fairly young. And so I want Apple for its share price appreciation, not so much the dividend appreciation. Uh, I sold out another high yield stock. I bought two more shares of Broadcom, which is pretty high because Broadcom, uh, it was when I bought it, it was at roughly $850, and then a new position that I bought into. So before that, I started a position in Home Depot. I got Home Depot up to 6 years, so it roughly pays me $50 on an annualized basis. Recently, I was at like 80 shares of Ultra Group, and I've got it. I bought, and I got it up to 91 shares. And by the end of this year, I plan on getting the Ultra Group up to around 100 shares of Ultra. I started a new position with a stock called MSCI, which is in the financial space. And right here, as you see, I bought it when it was around $464, and it says that is at $502 right now. It has a dividend yield of 1.1%, and so this stock right here is a low yielder, but again, I wanted more growth, and so it increases the dividend roughly like 10% or more, and it also has that high share price appreciation which I'm looking for since I'm younger, but I want to grow my portfolio fast. Uh, I plan on a monthly basis spend about $150 to $180 dumping into Microsoft per month to get these shares up to at least 10 shares as a goal for the end of 2023. I recently bought 12 shares of Starbucks, so it was roughly at 18, and now I've got up to 30 shares of Starbucks, and it's paying me roughly $64 on an annualized basis. Uh, and then a new a new stock that you guys probably uh, are now aware of that I've done is one Williams Sonoma. I recently had bought would dump roughly $1,400 into Williams Sonoma to get around 11 shares. I recently bought that because I needed a stock that's going to be a high growth stock, a stock that's going to grow. Uh, and share price appreciation, I bought at 118. Right now is at $128, which is fantastic. And then recently, as of today, I put in $500 into Watsco, and then when I get paid on Friday, I'm going to dump another $300 into Watsco to make this around 2.5 or 2.5 shares, and so I'm going to be building up this position in Watsco, so hopefully by the end of the year to get this around $2,000. And so all in all, I have opened up a new position in Watsco, Visa for the share price appreciation, Apple, MSCI, Home Depot, and then Apple, and then along the way, I've added money into stocks that I've already had, like Avi and whatnot. So yeah, so as you see right here, this in this short space right here, uh, here's another dividend tracker that I have, and uh, not only do I have just a dividend growth portfolio, but I also have a, as you see right here, I have a Roth IRA, and so in my Roth IRA, it's roughly $12,000, and I recently uh, changed it up because I believe the semiconductor space is like the new gold, the new oil, and I have Visa, so I have the new holdings in my Roth IRA. Real quick, I added Lam Research, Monolithic Power Systems, which is a semiconductor stock. I also added uh, Analog Devices, which is a semiconductor stock, and then I also added Visa. And so all in all, hopefully within 30 years, hopefully my Roth IRA grows to roughly $850,000 or roughly $1 million, so that I can take money out of that tax free. So that's the goal. So all in all, the big news is that my dividend growth portfolio is at a new all-time high. I have finally hit my one of my goals was to get this dividend growth portfolio to over $50,000. Now, my next goal is to uh, hit $60,000. So I'm glad you guys waited and looked at my progress from beginning to end to this video. Like and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully you guys enjoyed my uh, stock purchases and show me being transparent and show you me dropping $2,500 a couple days ago, and then showing you a couple months ago me dropping $5,000. I'm investing in myself. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully, you guys uh, use this video as inspiration to invest in yourself as well. And I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.